Welcome to Kia.
So this is me on April 13, calling my friend while drenched in rain and limping around Ateneo finding my way home. You can only walk at a speed of 30 kph. Outfit check for groceries. For groceries. It's an outfit check for groceries. Outfit check for nothing. Both my classes It's messing up your brain. You know she gets sick every time she has a test. Red lighting. Red district. You wanna go on like a detour? Where? Let's go to Japan. It's so pretty. Is it kita? What was that? I'm kind of scared. Was that a bug? It hit the forehead. But you heard it, right? You heard it. Yeah. What was that? What if there was something in my mask? We actually buy veggies here because like in Landers, a cauliflower is like 200 pesos first, like a small one. Where are you going? I don't know. Where am I going? I don't know. But like here, for 500 pesos, you can buy huge cauliflowers. So much sweet potato, green mangoes, bananas. It's so much cheaper. Onions! Onions does not worth 100 something. Nay, okay ka lang po, Nay? Candy lang po. Peeling foot, everyone. If you look closely, some skin fragments are still there. This is my yaya. Kiana, introduce yourself. Pati sa Spain, magiging yaya din yan. I'm gonna twerk. Okay. I got stuck.
That's why I know you'll be a bad driver.
No, I realized you wouldn't know how far I am that way from me.
I need the mirror here. Sorry.
I'm so sorry, fam.
Yar! Hold it ah! Kili-kili lang. Ba't na lang hindi basa? Ay, angas! I feel so threatened by life.
All of you. At the same time, it's great to be back. I was selling the
Bag secured. Oh my gosh, wait, there's Vicks hidden.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, I want that stuff!
Old Spice.
Kanina.
Really fast. Will she fall? I think she probably
Yeah, she will. Oh my gosh.
You can take one more.
Thanks, driver.
Welcome to Kiana Luis. Is it gonna
Parang
ba?
game show. Parang game show.
So what is your favorite?
Cocaine.
Don't let her give it to the next week.
It's the cooking bear.
Look, you're eating it now.
You know the cocaine bear poster? It looks like her right now. Wait lang. Cheese like
Roulette,
that.
oh. Saan dyan yung cream cheese?
This is my first swim in a month, so let's see how it goes.
It's okay, El. Math sucks. You did it.
Never end.
Breaking down.
Calculus.
Why?
Calculus. Oh yeah, she's speeding. She's speeding. Oh, you left me behind now. I'm gonna go to the grad photo shoot of friends, and I just swam. It's autumn-ish, yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
Delicious. Round. By me.
Kung gusto nyo mag-use, just drag down the curtain up and then lalabas yung pinag. If you use, okay, 20 minutes na. May music pa sa tayo.
Yes, it's okay.
Just look at the camera. Oh, no! Look at all their photos. They're all like looking down. Oh, this one's cute. Make a heart, make a heart. What are we looking at? Ethan Hoon.
Ito na lang po yung guys.
Palagi.
Smile, guys.
I just want to eat my burger, guys.
So let me catch you guys up while I catch up with my friend Jenny here on call. So Kitty gave me a ride from Bellarmine to the trike stop, which is sort of far because of my bad shoe. I didn't really want to walk around. But once I got to the trike stop and she dropped me off there, I realized that I didn't have my phone with me and must have left it in her car, which by now must have been in the other side, the far side of Ateneo. So I ran, or rather limped, to the nearest building to sniff the slightest internet of Ateneo net that I could find so I could somehow reach her through iMessage, hoping that her iMessage was on. And at this point, I realized I didn't have cash too, aka I needed my phone to message someone at my destination to pay for the trike. So yes, it was important to get my phone back. And limping around in the rain going across the whole other side of Ateneo was like valid. It was valid. My shoe is literally getting destroyed every now and then. And I'm wet. Got destroyed now. Let's fix it. There are no trikes coming that way, so I guess it's off to find another trike somewhere else.